in the quaint little village of Black Hollow. The air was cool and crisp, yet tinged with an unshakable sense of foreboding. Margaret Whitland, a seasoned woman of 50, had lived in Black Hollow all her life. Her sharply defined features and piercing eyes reflected her resilience and wisdom. Margaret was known for her skepticism regarding the supernatural tales whispered among the villagers. Tonight, however, even she felt a chill as she closed her book, ready to retire for the night. At precisely midnight, a knock resounded through her modest cottage. It was not a mere tapping upon her door, but a demanding, echoing rattle that seemed to shake the very foundation of her home. Margaret's heart skipped a beat. Rarely did a soul venture out at the stroke of 12, especially not in Black Hollow. She approached the door and peered through the peephole. There stood a stranger, cloaked in layers of shadow, with a face obscured by a wide-brimmed hat. His presence was as imposing as it was mysterious. Margaret hesitated before opening the door slightly, enough to speak but not welcome. "Can I help you?" she inquired, her voice steady but cautious. "I seek refuge," the stranger replied, his voice smooth yet haunting. "I can offer answers to the shadows that haunt your village." Margaret felt an inexplicable pull to the stranger, an unsettling blend of curiosity and fear. After a moment's contemplation, she allowed him entry. He stepped inside, and she noticed a faint scent of smoke and ancient wood clinging to his clothing. Seated across from her at the table, the stranger began his tale. He spoke of a curse dating back centuries, a pact with beings from beyond the stars that had gone awry. Black Hollow, he explained, was a place marked for such visitations, where the fabric of time and reality wafted precariously thin. The villagers were unwitting participants in an age-old game played between realms. Margaret listened, her skepticism slowly eroding. She recalled the odd occurrences, the fading echo of whispered voices, fleeting shadows darting in the corner of one's eye, and the unrelenting sensation of being watched. "But why tell me this?" Margaret asked, her voice barely audible.